Hello everyone. The SAT exam day is approaching, a day that can feel like a mix of excitement and nervousness. You have put in the hard work preparing, but how do you make sure that everything goes smoothly on the day itself? So that's exactly what we are covering today. Now, this video is a step by step guide for both students taking the digital SAT and the parents supporting them. We'll walk through the night before, the morning routine, what to bring, navigating the test center, managing the actual test, and what to do afterwards, all to help you feel calm, confident, and prepared for a successful exam day experience. So, let's begin. Now, a smooth exam day, obviously, it starts the night before, right? Because your goal is to be rested and organized. Okay, so first thing, always avoid last minute cramming. Trust the preparation that you have already done. Maybe you can just do a light review of the formulas or the keynotes if it helps you feel confident, but make sure that you prioritize rest over study. Next, pack your bag meticulously. Use a checklist to pack your bag, okay? You have to make sure that you carry your printed admission ticket, fine, a valid photo ID proof, and your approved testing device with you, be it a laptop or a tablet, it should be fully charged. Then you must double check that you have downloaded the blue book and completed the exam setup beforehand. Then your device's power cord and maybe a portable charger, you have to carry that, don't forget to carry that, fine. There should be an approved calculator with you, so you can have a familiar one with fresh batteries, okay? Even though we have one on screen, but still you can carry your own. Carry pen or pencils with you. Carry a water bottle. You can bring along some snacks with you, like protein bar, fruits, nuts, and just avoid noisy wrappers, don't bring them. You can just wear a watch, okay? Don't wear any smartwatch with, and don't put in alarms, just turn off your alarms, so that you can track time. Then you have to wear layers of comfortable clothing, because while giving the test, the most important thing is your comfort. Finally, you can wind down and relax. Now try to avoid using screens for the last hour before bed, okay? You can read a book, listen to calm music, you can practice deep breathing, visualize yourself doing everything well. Make sure that you take 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, because that's going to make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the morning day. Now, when you have the exam day in the morning, just be calm, okay? And wake up on time. Don't hit your snooze button multiple times. Don't rush. Wake up on time. Eat a balanced breakfast, okay? Focus on protein, focus on carbohydrates, and you can have that from foods like eggs, oatmeal, yogurt, and fruits, fine. So don't eat sugary items, because of course that can lead to a sugar crash. Stay hydrated with lots of water, fine. Then you should rest comfortably in the layers that you have picked up for yourself, and go with a very positive mindset. Deep breathly, okay? Take slow breaths and focus on the day. Now, remember to do one final check, okay? Grab your packed bag, make sure you have your ID, make sure that your admission ticket is easily accessible, and then head out of the door. Then plan your journey to the test center. Okay, let's discuss how you can plan your journey to the test center. Fine. So just know your route, okay, so that you don't get messed up with the traffic, and you need to reach 30 minutes before your scheduled time, so it's very important. Fine. Make sure that you know where your testing room is, so that you don't have to run here and there. Fine. Check, and the check-in process will involve your showing your ID card and your admission ticket, so make sure that you have both of them. Follow all the instructions patiently, just be patient throughout, fine. Now, if you have any smartwatches, if you have phones with you, they must be turned off completely, because as you know that phones, electronics, smartwatches, they are not allowed at the test center, so be very careful, fine. Now, for example, if you have checked in and you have already settled down, what next? Now make sure that you arrange your workplace, arrange it. Keep your calculator, keep your pencil, pen ready, water and snacks on the desk. Just be ready. Just take a moment, relax, take deep breaths, okay? Just release all the tension from the shoulders, fine? Don't worry about anything. Then whenever you are instructed, obviously you'll be instructed when you have to launch the Blue Book app, so make sure that you launch it on time. Fine. Also, now for example, if the test has started, so how are we going to navigate it? So make sure that you keep an eye on the on-screen timer, but don't let it distract your focus. Okay, your focus should be solely on the test. Fine. Now, as I told you that you'll be getting 32 minutes for reading and writing and 35 minutes for math, so aim for a consistent pace. Okay, you have to spend roughly average time per question, but don't be afraid to move faster on easier ones. If you know you can solve the easier ones, be quick. Okay, try to answer the questions that you know first. That's the main trick. If you feel that a question is time consuming, it is difficult, fine, then use the flag tool. You have a flag tool over there, use that. Okay, remember one point that you shouldn't miss out is that you cannot go back to a previous module. Okay, you cannot do that. So once you submit module 1, that's it, you can't go back. Okay, answer every single question, don't miss out any, because there's no penalty on incorrect answers, so don't do that. Another thing, actively use the highlighter for the key information, and make sure that you use the annotation tools and the Desmos calculator, because if everything is provided to you, why do you have to miss out anything? Fine. Then use the provided scratch paper effectively, especially for the math calculations and the reading writing questions, so keep it neat. Okay, then it's important to tune out all the distractions, just focus on the screen, and your focus is very important. So that's why again and again I'm asking you to be calm and confident. If you ever feel like building that core confidence and mastering test taking strategies could be beneficial for future tests or even school subjects, remember that personalized support like the one-on-one online tutoring Wizdomi provides can be really, really effective. So they can even offer a first free class, which is a great low pressure key to see that if that kind of focus works for you. Okay, but right now during the test, your focus should be on the test. So just breathe and trust the process and trust the hard work that you have already put in. Okay. Now after the reading and writing section, you will get a scheduled 10-minute break, so use it wisely. Fine. Step away from your testing device. Stand up, leave the room if you are permitted. You can use restroom, drink water. Once you are done with your exam, you can have your snacks. Okay, stretch your arms, release the tension, take deep breaths, just relax once you're done with the test. Okay. Now, when you are attempting the math section, that's what I was talking about the break. But now when you are attempting the math section, keep the focus sharp. You should be focused. Okay. Try to manage all the modules wisely. Use the Desmos calculator properly. Okay. Use it efficiently. And also follow the on-screen instructions in Blue Book. Fine. When you are about to submit the test. And once it's done, pack your belongings. Don't forget anything over there. Fine. Now, you really need to remember that you shouldn't discuss anything online with your friends or family or anyone else. Okay, don't discuss anything because this violates the college board policy. So don't do that. Okay. So in the end, just relax, acknowledge your hard work, plan something enjoyable, something relaxing for later. Okay. I have a note for parents here now. So the role of parents is also really crucial, when it comes to providing support to the students. So your child can be nervous, that's natural. Okay, so just try to calm down your child so that your child doesn't become anxious. Make sure that your child had a good night's sleep. Fine, so that the child doesn't feel drowsy during the test. And remind them that they are worthy of everything, and just listen to them and help them relax. Okay, so when you are navigating the SAT exam day, okay, you need to make sure that you are well organized, calm, you're having a positive mindset. Remember the key steps. Prepare the night before, start the morning right, handle logistics smoothly, use strategies during the test, utilize your break, and finish strong. Okay, just be strong throughout. Trust in the preparation, follow the procedures, and believe in your ability to do the best, because you have got this. Okay, so what are your exam day tips? Share in the comments below to help other students. If you feel that this guide was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more test prep and college advice. So check the description for helpful links, including a packing checklist and that free introductory class offer from Wizdomi. Don't forget that. So wishing you all the very best on your SAT test day. Do well, do wonders.